So, let's be honest. Most of the time when we hear a new update, we roll our eyes. Because usually it's just bug fixes, security patches, maybe a tiny tweak you won't even notice. Nothing to get excited about, right? But this time, Samsung is cooking up something different. And I'm telling you right now, One UI 8.5 is not just another boring update. It's bold. It's controversial. And it might just change the way your Galaxy feels in your hand. Here's what's going on. One UI 8.5 is built on top of Android 16 QPR2. Okay, I know that sounds like nerdy tech jargon. But here's the simple version. Normally, Google makes these little quarterly updates for pixels, adding polish and features. Most other companies skip them because they're a pain to develop. But Samsung? Nope. They're saying, we're not skipping. We're going all in. And that decision? It means two things: deeper improvements under the hood, and some pretty dramatic changes on the surface. Let's start with the visuals, because this is where things get spicy. For years, Samsung has stuck to flat icons. Clean, minimal, easy on the eyes. But with One UI 8.5, they're flipping the script. 3D app icons are back. Yep, you heard that right. Little shadows, depth, layers, it's like your apps are popping out of the screen. Some people are saying, finally, my phone looks alive again. Others are like, wait, didn't we move past this years ago? And honestly, I get both sides. It feels modern and fresh, but also a little like Samsung peeked over Apple's shoulder and said, let's try that too. Now, don't get me wrong, the icons do look slick. But here's the catch, all those pretty shadows? They're hungry. Early testers notice the new look eats more battery. And let's be real, no one wants a phone that dies faster just to look cute. The good news is, this isn't the final build. Samsung still has time to smooth it out before launch. But visuals aren't the only big deal here. Samsung's also tackling one of the most annoying parts of smartphones, notifications. Think about it. Every day, your phone floods you with random alerts, emails, social media, apps you don't even remember downloading. It's chaos. Samsung knows this, and their answer is AI-powered notification summaries. Here's how it works. Instead of showing you a wall of clutter, Galaxy AI will scan your notifications and serve up quick, clean summaries. Just the important stuff. No more endless scrolling. No more drowning in updates. It's like having a personal assistant who filters out the noise. And the best part? You're still in control. Don't want AI touching your banking app? Fine, turn it off. Want it only for social media? Easy. This isn't about replacing you, it's about helping you breathe a little easier. And get this, Samsung isn't being stingy with the rollout. One UI 8.5 isn't just for the shiny new Galaxy S26 Ultra. It's coming to tons of devices, older S-series phones, foldables, mid-range A-series, even tablets and rugged Galaxy models. That's huge. It shows Samsung is serious about supporting people who don't upgrade every year. So when's all this happening? Officially, we'll see One UI 8.5 launch in early 2026 with the Galaxy S26. But if you're lucky, there might be a limited beta later this year for the S25 series. Here's the bottom line, One UI 8.5 isn't just an update. It's Samsung shaking things up, bringing back 3D icons, throwing AI into the mix, and testing how far they can push design without breaking the experience. Some of us will love it. Some of us will hate it. But nobody will ignore it. So, now it's your turn. Do you want your home screen to feel 3D and alive again, or are you a die-hard flat design fan? And what about AI, will you let it clean up your notifications, or do you want to see everything, clutter and all? Let me know in the comments, and if you're excited to see how this all plays out, hit that like button. Because One UI 8.5 might just be the biggest update Samsung has dropped in years, and trust me, this is only the beginning.